USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in the same page on this very crucial, very important, ongoing civil justice sign of closure. And this is regarding United States of America nation with fatal negligence, enforced poverty, and all using the robocall poverty mandate, enforced poverty for me, and I am signing off the civil justice for myself. And also it is a multitasking wherein I'm also directly displaying the scandals of all the absolute monarchs to the USA government. That way I can also earn a salary out of it by displaying the government errors and the absolute monarchs scandals. Okay, and we are all on the same page, and just be patient. Yes, I sure will get the civil justice for entire human kingdom, but I have to get the civil justice served for me and also get the job offer signed up for me, right? So everything is in the processing, so there is a waiting time, so we all have to wait for that process, and I wish the USA government signs up the job offer immediately. For I, Vedapriya, pro se proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire king. He wrote as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya pro se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, the true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So the scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica, the motherland, calls as a statue wherein it is the tallest woman with the sword statue in the Russia. But then it never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prosi, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of the motherland calls a tallest woman with sword statue in Russia to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica, the motherland calls the tallest woman with the sword statue in Russia, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica, the motherland calls a tallest woman with a sword statue in Russia. So what is the error? The error is the motherland calls a tallest woman with a sword statue in Russia created robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime as of February 2021, and it comes under the classification of domestic violence, breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional stress and causation and injury, then battery and types, then assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and types. So I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off provided for myself. Republica, the motherland calls a tallest woman with a sword statue in Russia with fatal negligence, failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021 and beyond, and also enforced finance disability. And it is a crime for Republica, the motherland calls the tallest woman with sword statue in Russia when ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I Vedapriya Pro se. So the civil justice served is Vedapriya Pro se want USA Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposited to my bank account, and the motherland calls the tallest woman with sword statue in Russia must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be on the same page. And for I, Vedapriya Prose displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs. I, Vedapriya Prose for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name as Vedapriya is a civil justice served. And then I, Vedapriya Prose to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. Then Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose to become the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Import Exports, military, etc. As in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India. And I, Vedapriya Prose must get the dual citizenship of US and India now is a civil justice served. And I hope we are all in the same page on the civil justice sign-off that is provided for myself, and also I am also providing multitasking, thereby displaying the scandal of absolute monarchs to the USA government. And I also will be earning, USA will provide me the salary for I am displaying all the errors, government errors to the USA. Okay, so talk to you soon and have a good day. Bye now, take care.